We had gems. I wasn't even gonna do a review for their cheesesteak because y'all know it's already good with me. I guess I'm back now. This is the first time since they done reopened the joint. Ketchup packets. That's some points up. I don't remember them doing that before, but you gotta use ketchup packets. Yeah, I don't like using the ketchup packets. But you see, I got hot peppers on mine, fried onions, provolone cheese. You know what I mean? Let's see what it's hitting for. I don't know what half to eat first. I done already spilled oil on my shorts. Like, that's drawing. Told y'all, Jim's all good with me. I'm gonna rate it at 8. You know what I mean? Take off a point. Yeah, because the package, my hand looking at it, I cleaned it up a little bit. But shit all good with me, man. This shit cool. This shit really good. I might say this other day. I'm hungry, but I ain't really that hungry. I just ate before I left the crib.